Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Maxify GX2050. I'm going to show you how to copy document with this printer. Open the glass scanner and stick the document you want to copy face down. Make sure the document starts from the top left. This is A4 paper. Close the cover. From the screen, LCD screen, select copy. It will show you one A4. Select settings, select number of copies, intensity, standard, magnif, standard. Use down or up arrow to select the size of the paper, plain paper, standard, print quality, standard. And also if you select ADF, it gives you option for you to select simplest and duplex, which is double-sided. Scroll down, two-sided printing. Select two-sided. Select OK. Collage is off. Frame erase is off. And also ID card copy is off. Then use this button to copy black or use this button to copy color. So you go back. If you want to select number of copies, select number of copies, then you type how many number of the document you want to copy. If you change your mind, once you type the number, you can see showing us 12. If you want to cancel it, you select this to cancel it, then select OK to confirm it. Select copy to copy the document in color. So this button is for you to copy document in color. This button is for you to copy the document in black. So it will show you on the screen scanning the original. And we selected to copy two-sided. The next thing to do is take the document, stick the second document you want to copy on the glass scanner, face down. So it will show you page 2. Place the next original and tap next. Next scan. If you change your mind, press the stop button to cancel it. This is the document we copied, two-sided in color. I want us to copy with ADF, automatic document feeder. So if you go back to the home page, stick the document and also remove the document from the glass scanner. So now I want to copy you with ADF. Stick the document you want to copy with ADF. Make sure the information up. Then select copy. Select settings. Scroll down. You can select number of copies, intensity or magnif. Intensity. If you select intensity, you can select auto or adjust it according to your preference. It's on the center at the moment. Then select OK. Then scroll down. The paper size A4, plain paper. Print quality is currently in standard. So you can select high or economy. So it's currently in standard. Scroll down, layout is off. ADF scan, select duplex. Select OK. Scroll down, two-sided. Select OK. Then select black. You want to print this black and white. Then take the document, reload it on the glass scanner, then select scan. This is the document we copied, two-sided with ADF. Thank you very much. This is how to copy documents with this printer using glass scanner and ADF. Thank you very much indeed.